how do you reconcile the contention that there is no causality with the assertion that one's karma is the consequence of one's past actions? That's an easy question to see. It's easier to see how it would arise because of the mind's proclivity to translate everything into causality. You see, one thing doesn't cause another. But in the quantum reality, what's happening is you're increasing likelihoods of potentialities. This is not causing that, but under this condition, the likelihood of this happening is increased. However, in spiritual evolution, freedom of the will is ever present. Otherwise, there would be no karmic merit possible, nor would there be karmic demerit. It's because of spiritual will to say yes to God. Apparently, heaven is populated by people who say yes to God. You have to say yes to God to get to heaven. That's it. Is that right? You have to want to be there. God doesn't want anybody who don't want to be there. Who hasn't consciously chosen God. That's something I never asked before. I have permission to ask it, resist. And that's a fact. Heaven, God doesn't want anybody in heaven that doesn't want them. Okay, it's simple enough. So apparently, karmic merit comes from having had the opportunity to choose either way, and to have chosen this rather than that. So all is happening by free choice, not by causal determination. You see, if things were causal, there would be no karmic merit nor demerit, would there? You could just say everything's caused by something else. Well, this thought was caused by that, and that was caused by the NBC News, and that was caused by the paper, and that was caused by what my parents did. So there's no responsibility. Neither is there freedom. Neither is there merit, nor is there room for growth. It's only because you have the option to say yes or no that one, by saying yes, automatically advances oneself. I don't know, I didn't set the whole deal up. Don't ask me about it.